Hello, Z-Axis Architect here, and today I'm here with another REVIT tutorial for you on massing. Today we're going to create a very simple organic structure that I found on Google. This N-shaped kind of building. So just follow along. First of all, I'm going to go to the elevation and create 6 levels. Let's go back to level 1 and click on massing, replace mass. Click OK to mass 1. And then first thing I'll do is I would like to create some reference lines to give me kind of a guide. Okay, so we have our guide. So I'll go and click on spline and start to draw the shape of my structure. I'll modify the shape a little bit, but you can do it straight if you want to. So this is it. We're going to the 3D. Okay, and we're just going to drag this point up to level 6. Do the same thing with the point behind up to level 6. Come to the 3D view again. You drag this other point to level 2 and drag the second point to level 2. You do the same thing to this point. Come to the side view, drag it to level 2 and drag it to level 2. So basically now we have kind of an outline of our form, as you can see. So there's something I'm gonna do. I like to select this outer line here and come to this east elevation and just copy it inside a bit and then just come to the 3D view and adjust it. I just want to make it a little bit straight. This will be our vertical wall. It mustn't be a straight wall. You can make it a straight wall if you want. This is just my preference. I think I'm going to edit this a bit and drag it a little bit backwards. Okay. And after that, I'll select this, come to this and copy it. to the back. Okay, I think I'll move it a bit. Okay, I think we're good. So let's look at it on the 3D. Okay, this is what we have. So what I'll do is to select this point and select this point and click on the spline and do the same thing here. Select this point, select this point and click on the spline to create this line. So by selecting this line and this line here, we create a form. I'm selecting this one here and this one to create a form. Then finally we select the envelope and create the final form. And we finish. So as you can see, we have our organic form here. So you can just go back to massing and click on more to give it a little bit of depth. And you come to the face, go to cutting system, select the face and create system. And do the same thing to the rear, create cutting system. So I'll just add floor to it. We go to floor. Now just draw a floor, ground floor using the rectangle tool. Check. You can come to the middle. I can create floor. Or I can just copy and copy this floor. I can copy this floor and then just align it to level 2 and then come to edit floor. I'll just quickly do this. Okay, so we have our floor. I can copy it. And I want to select tech levels 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have to go and also edit our floors. We have to go and edit each and every one of these floors. So this is how our structure looks. You can add materials to this floor. You see this tutorial brings value to you, you can like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next tutorial.